Hey guys, what's going on? Profit Products here, coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we've got a bunch of Tommy Hilfiger grails in the mail, so let's set sail. Package number one, this is to complete the fit. I got this lame old, Tommy Hilfiger small patch. Nothing too crazy. Need something a little more jazzed up, maybe, a little more fast. This is coming in from FERRARI, Winnipeg. The boys out west hooking me up with this beautiful Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, let's see. Boom. Tommy Hilfiger FERRARI to match the sweater. Collared long sleeve shirt. That's amazing. I'm gonna throw this on right now with a little bit of movie magic. And here we are. Fits amazing, medium to large, just what I needed. Amazing. This huge patch, I've never seen one so big on one of these shirts. Amazing. Thank you so much, FERRARI Winnipeg. Helped me complete the fit. Appreciate it. Now I got that double collar action. Wild. Up next, from my boy Matthew Gaudine, also out in Winnipeg. Got this. That works. We got this fire H&M. Oh wait, Aztec print as fuck. Tommy, this is Polo actually. Polo Ralph Lauren. Made in Canada. Full print sweater. It's amazing. Thank you very much. Next, I believe this is from Revived Vintage on Instagram. Saw these, had to scoop these up. Didn't have enough black pants. These should be dope. They are the Patagonia jogger kind of windbreaker pants. That's amazing. Thank you very much. That's going to the personal. Alright, up next, coming in from, not too sure, but from Depop, a Tommy Hilfiger GRAIL. GRAIL. So pumped that I saw this. Had to cop it. These are so hard to come by nowadays. Oh yeah. Ooh. Here we go. So steady. Holy, how did he get this? Damn. Boom. There it is. You see that? Tommy Hilfiger Outdoors fleece hoodie. The patch on the side. Expedition. This is amazing. Size large, or size medium, fits like a large. Thank you so much for this. This is one of my first Tommy Hilfiger outdoor pieces. Can't wait to add to that. Up next, taping up the old mail packages. I mean, I guess a little overkill in my opinion, but all good. No worries. Whoa, what do we got? Aha. Yes, this is coming in from Depop. We got the Nike ACG. Size medium, fits like a large to XL. Big print logo. Shirt. I wore this last video, I believe. This is another one I had to get. Favorite shirt at the moment. Had to double up. Thank you very much. Okay. Aha. This is coming in all the way from the UK. Found this guy on Depop. Amazing. Another Nike ACG with the big logos on each sleeve. All conditioned gear in the front. Little logo on the back. Spell it down the sides. This is an amazing piece. Great condition, minimal cracking. Thank you so much for that. Okay. Got another package. Ha! This is a Tommy Hilfiger windbreaker. Ooh. With the little flag hint on the anorak pouch, as well as the buttons, and it also has these small Tommy Hilfiger pull tab. Usually these ones don't have that on, harder to find. It's amazing, fits like a large. Thank you very much. Perfect for spring. Okay, another one. Not sure who it's from. We got ooh, from Jack Liu with some numbers on Instagram. This is the Tommy Hilfiger Super Grail, Mega Grail, something Grail. It's the long sleeve Tommy Hilfiger. Flags everywhere, all over print, button-up shirt, rare AF. The long sleeve makes it a little bit rare too. There's a couple of these on eBay with the short sleeve. That's amazing. Size medium, fits like a large. Might have to just haul this one on too for a little bit more movie magic. And 1, 2, 3. There it is. Got it on. Fits amazing. Ooh, so excited about this. Fire. Oh, love it. Thank you so much, Jack Liu from Depop for this bad boy. Next up, we got a nice purple package. Rare. Oh, it's another Tommy Hilfiger Grail, actually. Coming in from Adam Hart Lover on Depop. You got this amazing... Oh, look at the wrapping. Damn. Okay. Little note. It says, Luke with a heart. Okay, thank you. Take that. Appreciate it. Scissors. True. Okay. This is nice. Alright. We have the Tommy Grail, of course, you know. Forgot to name the video. Boom. Hold it up like that. Reveal. Bam. Whoa, little stuff. But yeah, okay, anyway, we've got this Tommy Hilfiger Lotus Formula 1 racing with a huge spell out on the back. This is amazing. Tommy patch on the sleeve, looking like the Ford logo. Amazing. So many patches. Great colorway. Super rare. Ooh. Look at that patch. Look at that one. That is a nice cross flag Lotus Hilfiger patch. Thank you very much, Adam Hart Lover, for the shirt, as well as the bubbles. Hell yeah. Alright, and last but not least, we got another package. I'm not too sure what this is. I believe it's a Tommy Hilfiger jacket. Coming in, oh yes it is. Coming in from Ontario. Got it off Kijiji. A little bit of a steal. Never seen this colorway before either. We got the Tommy Hilfiger fleece-lined jacket. Spell out on the sleeve right there. Dope. Little flag on the back, flag on the pocket. Also, nice little color blocking on this collar. Very dope. Sailing jacket. Not too bad of condition. Thank you very much. Alright, all you Tommy Hilfiger heads, that'll conclude this video. Shout out to everyone showing me the support, the love. I appreciate it all. Thanks to everybody for sending me these packages, not scamming me. That's dope. Don't forget to drop a comment, follow, like, subscribe. Go check out all the stuff on eBay, the Instagram, the Depop if you were interested in anything. This has been Luke Profit for Profit Products, and we'll see you later. Peace.